News from London. Fugitive diamond merchant Nirav Modi will not get bail, said the High Court in the UK, where he is currently. Nirav Modi was arrested on the 20th of March and has been in prison since then. Remember, he's wanted in India in the Punjab National Bank fraud case and had asked for a review of a lower court order that denied him bail. Well, let's go across to Radhika Iyer, who was actually there in the court. And Radhika, tell us what it is that the judge said. He also said there was compelling evidence that there was effort to interfere and there was destruction of evidence.
The judge, of course, denied bail. She said bail withheld because she believes that there are grounds which are very similar to that of the lower court, the Westminster Magistrate Court. There are grounds that perhaps she feels that he could possibly destroy evidence, he could interfere with witness statements, and also felt
all right, Radhika, they're giving us the details of what went on in the court. Now, as we said, this is Nirav Modi had asked for a review of a lower court order that had denied him bail. He argued that he had arrived in UK in January 2018 before he was accused of any crime. He also contested India's extradition request, saying he was in Britain lawfully and had a job and had paid his taxes. All right, let's just take a look at this report. All right, let's go back to Radhika, who joins us from London. Yes, Radhika, do continue. You were telling us what went on in court.
So the judge did deny bail. She said bail withheld because she believed there are grounds to believe that Nirav Modi could perhaps destroy evidence, even access funds to try and interfere with witness statements. She also believed that he may fail to surrender should he be granted bail. Now, this is not the first or the second time that he was rejected bail. This is the fourth time that Nirav Modi has been rejected bail since the 20th of March when he was produced in court after being arrested on the 19th when he was trying to open a bank account, and the authorities landed up in the bank to arrest Nirav Modi in London. Now, 3 times he was rejected bail by the Westminster Magistrate Court. So now what Nirav Modi can do is to go back to the Westminster Magistrate Court and reapply for bail. Now, this is the same court where, of course, he is being heard for extradition proceedings itself. Now, these are 2 independent cases. The bail application is different, and the extradition case is an independent case which is being heard in the Westminster Magistrate Court. Interestingly, the same court which heard the Vijay Mallya case, the same judge who heard the Vijay Mallya case, and the person who's arguing for Nirav Modi is the same lawyer who argued for Vijay Mallya. Now, the case management hearing of the extradition case will be heard on the 29th of July next month. Does this mean, the fact that 4 times over he's been rejected bail, does it mean that Nirav Modi will be sent back to India? Not yet. The extradition hearing is still to continue. It could take months, even perhaps a year or 2, because this is a really long legal process which both the Indian side as well as Nirav Modi will have to go through here in the UK's magistrate court. But it certainly, of course, means that this is a shot in the arm for the Indian authorities, because they seem to have provided some evidence which has made, or rather convinced, judges both in the magistrate court as well as here in the High Court to believe that Nirav Modi is influential and he's not just an ordinary Indian jeweler, as his lawyer pointed out yesterday, but that he perhaps made an attempt to destroy evidence, mobile phones as well as hard disks, which perhaps contained information which was interesting to authorities in the investigation. The case, of course, has 2 charges against Nirav Modi. One, that he owes close to 17,000 crore rupees to Punjab National Bank, that of fraud, as well as the bigger charge, that of money laundering.